learn about some domestic animals and how they help humans. Are you ready? Let's start. Cow. The cow is a very useful animal. It gives us milk. We make butter, cheese, and yogurt from milk. Cows are gentle animals. Goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Goat milk is good for health. Goats are small and friendly animals. Sheep. Sheep give us wool. We make sweaters and blankets from wool. Sheep also give milk and meat. Hen. A hen gives us eggs. Eggs are healthy and strong food. Hens also gives us meat. Horse. The horse is a strong animal. It helps people travel and carry goods. In old times, horses are used for transport. Camel. The camel is called the sheep of desert. It helps people travel in deserts. Camels carry heavy loads. Dog. The dog is a loyal animal. It guards our houses. Dogs are also our best friends. Cat. Cat catch mice. They keep our homes clean from rats. Cats are playful pets. Elephant. Elephants are big and strong animals. In some places, they help carry heavy logs. They are very intelligent animals. Why domestic animals are important? Domestic animals help humans by giving milk, giving eggs, giving wool, helping in farming, guarding our homes, carrying heavy loads. We must love animals and take care of them. So kids, today we learned about domestic animals and how they help humans. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.